Want to pump up your training routine? Get some help from the Apollo Trainer Kit. California Exotic Novelties is the company that makes something for everyone. This amazing pump will blow your mind. The silicone sleeve gives you superior suction and seal, while the rib texture provides added sensations. Use the included body-safe silicone enhancer ring to take your pumping to the next level. The universal measurements on the durable cylinder and the easy squeeze bulb with quick air release valve will keep you in complete control. Truly created for the contemporary man. Waterproof for fun in the shower or tub. Also makes cleaning super easy. Train hard with the Apollo Trainer Kit.